All right, today I'm going to teach you how to use the word people in Thai. And the foundation of that word is kon, right there, kon. Okay? So that's the foundation of the word. But what I'm going to teach you is going to be tons of information. So get your pen and paper ready because you're going to need it. Okay, let's go. This person, these people right here, this person, we call it kon ni. Kon ni means this individual right here in front of me. Kon ni. Okay, so you can have a photo of this person, you know, this girl or this guy or whoever that you're looking for, right? And it's like, hey, right here, it's konni right there, konni. You see it, konni right there. Okay, konni means this individual. Next one is that person, kon nan. Kon nan means that one right there, kon nan. You can point them out, kon nan. And that person way over there is kon noon. Kon noon means way over there across the street, far, far away. Is that guy right there, way over there? Yeah, kon noon. By the way, the word kon can be used for all genders, not for a guy or a girl or whoever. It can be used for anyone, as long as it's a person, not an animal, not a puppy, not a kitten, not a bird, not a cow. Okay, a person, kon, mean person, people. Okay, now next one, kon un. Kon un means bunch of strangers. You don't know them. Who I don't know who they are. There's some guys like ask you, hey, you know these people? Like, no. Kon un. Un means just like bunch of different randoms. Kon un, random strangers. Okay, kon un. Kon dio gan. Kon dio gan means this individual is the same person. I saw him earlier and now I'm seeing him again. It's like a deja vu. Kon dio gan. Okay? Kon dio gan. Kon klai gan. Kon klai gan means similar look, but different. Klai, kon klai gan. Okay? Next one is kon gan eng. Kon gan eng means my peeps, people that I know, I'm familiar with, I go on drink with, or having a good time. Kon gan eng means it's just casual friends. Kon gan eng. The opposite of that is the total stranger. We call that kon plak na. Kon plak na means just a random individual just walked in, in a room full of your friend. Just say you have a room full of friend and this guy just walked in. It's like, you have no idea who this guy is. It's like, kon plak na. And everyone just stopped and just looking at him, right? Kon plak na. Now, almost the same as kon plak na is, I don't know this person. Unknown. Kon mai ru jak. Kon mai ru jak means I have no idea. I don't know him. This guy just walked in. I don't know. If your friends say, hey, you know this guy? I'm like, no. Kon mai ru jak. The opposite of stranger is someone that you know. Is kon ru jak. Kon ru jak means I know this guy. I know this girl. Yeah, he's my friend. You might not know him, but I know him. Kon ru jak. Yeah, they can come in. Just say if you're at the mall or at the market, the seller or the vendor, we call that kon khai. Kon khai means the seller or vendor. And you as a buyer will be konซื้อ. Konซื้อmeans you're buying it. You're buying them. Konซื้อ. Tons of people, we call that kon ยอะ. There's tons of people. Kon ยอะ. Kon ยอะmeans just like, God, it's like driving me crazy. Kon ยอะis too many people here. Kon ยอะ. Almost the same as tons of people is a lot of people. We call it kon mาก. Kon mาก. And the opposite of that is less people. Hardly anyone. We call that konน้อย. Konน้อย. I mean, it's just like, just a couple people just show up. Konน้อย. Now, you're at the festival. The party goers, including yourself. We call that kon เที่ยว. Kon เที่ยว mean they just coming in for a good time, for music, for drinks, for friendship. คนเที่ยว okay, they're looking for a good time. And just say if they have a band and you're watching the band, the audience, we call that คนดู คนดู means I'm watching คนดู and you look over, you see tons of people walking around, okay, just walking random, just walking, just strolling, right? We call it คนเดิน คนเดิน เดิน means walk. The next one is good person, good people, we call it คนดี 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 like myself คนดี right? คนดี The opposite of that is คนไม่ดี means bad people, bad person. They have bad thought about you. คนไม่ดี คนเรียบร้อย means polite individual. In Thailand, we have the culture is very polite. We call it คนเรียบร้อย very polite individual. คนไม่เรียบร้อย means it's just not polite, impolite. Now, a speaker on stage, we call it คนพูด 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 means the speaker. And you listening to him or her, you'll be คนฟัง คนฟัง means I'm listening, a listener. Okay, so that's tons of information right there, and I'm gonna make a part 2, part 3 to make it easier for you. I don't want to bombard you with all this information. If you like it, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.